Hello everyone, this is Dr. Damayanti Tiwari. Today we will discuss about BSc Botany 5th semester syllabus of Lucknow University. In this semester you have two papers, paper 7th and paper 8. In this semester practical is also included. Paper 7. Paper 7 is plant biochemistry. It includes 4 units. Unit 1st, Unit 2nd, Unit 3rd and Unit 4th. Unit 1st include carbohydrate. There is classification of carbohydrate, structure and properties of monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide includes aldose and ketose sugars. Oligosaccharide includes reducing and non-reducing sugar. Polysaccharide includes two types of polysaccharide, storage and structural polysaccharide. Example of storage polysaccharide is starch and inulin. Structural polysaccharide include cellulose, pectin, chitin, aminoglycan, peptidoglycans, glycoprotein and glycolipids. Now coming to the unit 2nd. Unit 2nd includes lipid and vitamins. There is classification of lipid. You have to also study about the structure and properties of fatty acid. There are two types of fatty acids, saturated and unsaturated fatty acid. You have to also study about the simple lipid, compound lipids and derived lipids. Now, vitamins include structure and properties of vitamins. Unit 3rd includes amino acid and protein. There is classification of amino acid, structure and properties of amino acid, essential and non-essential amino acid. Protein, there is classification of protein. You have to also study about the structural organization of protein, biological roles of protein. Unit 4th include enzyme and bioenergetics. There is general structure of enzymes. You have to study about the active site, action specificity, mode of action, aspect of enzyme kinetics, Michaelis and Menten constant. Enzyme inhibition, factor affecting catalytic efficiency of enzymes. Last topic of Unit 4th is bioenergetics. In bioenergetics, you have to study about the laws of thermodynamics, concept of gives free energy in plant, redox reaction, high energy rich compound. Now, coming to the paper 8th. Paper 8th include plant resource utilization, palynology and biostatics. It also include 4 units. Unit 1st, Unit 2nd, Unit 3rd and Unit 4th. In Unit 1st, you have to study about the centers of diversity of plant, origin of crop plants, domestication and introduction of crop plants, cultivation, production and uses of wheat, rice, legume, sugarcane. All these plants are essential for our foods. Now coming to the Unit 2nd. In Unit 2nd, there is a general account of plant yielding oil, spices, beverages, and account of major fiber medicinal and petroplant of Uttar Pradesh. In Unit 3rd, you have to study about the conservation of plant resources for agriculture and forestry. There is two types of conservation, in situ and ex situ. In situ conservation includes sanctuary, national park, biosphere reserves, wetland and mangroves. Ex situ conservation includes field gene bank, seed bank and cryobank. Now coming to the Unit 4th. In Unit 4th, there is an introductory knowledge to palynology, morphology, viability and germination of pollen. There is also topics of biostat, classification of data, mean, median and mode. standard deviation, standard error, variance, correlation and chi-square test. This is all about your two papers 7th and paper 8th in semester 5th. I will discuss about the practical in my next video. Hope this will help you. Thank you.